I am Arianjana, represent from SM Telegram Alusatan. Today, I will tell a story about Roro Jonggrang. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom called Prambanan. The kingdom was led by Prabu Bakang. Prabu Bakang was a very good king. The people of the Prambanan kingdom also lived prosperously. Meanwhile, in another place, there was a kingdom called the Pengging Kingdom. King Pengging had a very bad character. He liked to fight to expand his kingdom power. The Pengging Kingdom has a very strong weapon named Bondowoso. Bondowoso has very strong weapon and an army of genies. Bondowoso is better known as Bandung Bondowoso. One day, King Pengging wanted to conquer the Prambanan kingdom. He also summoned Bandung Bondowoso to seize the Prambanan kingdom. I order you and your troops to take over the Prambanan kingdom. King Pengging ordered. Bandung Bondowoso also attacked the Prambanan kingdom. With great haste, Bandung Bondowoso and his troops succeeded conquering the Prambanan kingdom. Prabu Bakang was also killed. Prambanan kingdom had a beautiful princess named Roro Jonggrang. Bandung Bondowoso also summoned Roro Jonggrang to appear. What do you want, Bandung Bondowoso? Asked Roro Jonggrang tersely. I want to marry you. Marry me, your life will be peaceful and richful, said Bandung Bondowoso. Of course, she did not expect Bandung Bondowoso would propose to her. In fact, Roro Jonggrang doesn't like Bandung Bondowoso. Bandung Bondowoso has cruel person. He had killed her father and made the people of the Prambanan kingdom miserable. Roro Jonggrang firmly rejected the Bandung Bondowoso proposal. Hearing this, Bandung Bondowoso did not accept it. If you don't want to marry me, your life will be miserable. I will make all the villagers suffer. Roro Jonggrang was confused by Bandung Bondowoso proposal. If she doesn't accept the Bandung Bondowoso proposal, her people will suffer. All night, Roro Jonggrang thought about how to refuse Bandung Bondowoso proposal. Finally, Roro Jonggrang had an idea. The next afternoon, Bandung Bondowoso met Roro Jonggrang. Have you decided on your choice, Roro Jonggrang? Asked Bandung Bondowoso. Okay, I want to marry you as long as you fulfill my condition, said Roro Jonggrang. What are your conditions? Asked Bandung Bondowoso arrogantly. Build 1,000 temples and 2 wells in one night, said Roro Jonggrang. She believes Bandung Bondowoso cannot fulfill his requirement. Without taking long, Bandung Bondowoso immediately agreed to Roro Jonggrang's terms. That night, Bandung Bondowoso, assisted by his genius troops, built 1,000 temples and 2 wells. Roro Jonggrang, who was secretly watching this, became anxious. The estimate is wrong. Bandung Bondowoso troops completed the construction very quickly. At 3/4 of the night, there are only 2 temples left have not been built. Roro Jonggrang had an idea again. She asked all the ladies in the palace to burn the straw in the east. Uttering the mortar, the skin turned fragrant flowers. The goal is for the chicken to wake up quickly and crow. Sing the sky in the east red, the song of mortars, the skin of flowers. The goal is for the chicken to wake up quickly. The Batu Bondowoso army hurried away. Seeing his troops leaving the job, Batu Bondowoso stopped them. Come back, my troops! It's not early yet. There's still one more temple you have to build. Batu Bondowoso army still left their job. Batu Bondowoso became even more angry when he found out it was our Roro Jonggrang doing. He met Roro Jonggrang, and tonight Roro Jonggrang is a temple. Now, the temple is called Roro Jonggrang Temple and can be called a Prambanan Temple. Yogyakarta. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.